In this video, we'll show you how to add a depression to your landscape plan using GardenBox 3D. Once you have your plot outlined, hit the Relief button and click Create a Depression. Choose the desired shape and start drawing. Add the starting point with the left mouse button. Add some more points to draw the desired shape. If you need to change the corner type, select it in the right-hand panel and continue drawing. When the depression is ready, left-click the starting point. Double-click the border if you want to add another point and change the shape. The same way, you can remove the points you don't need. Adjust relief depth under the Properties tab. If you create a depression with a slope, you can change its inclination too. Let's customize the retaining walls. Change the material and adjust the texture scale. You can also select the surface you like. Here, you can edit the corners and points. Check Lock Object to save the placement of the object. Now you can add the desired objects to the plan. There's a huge collection of furniture, plants, buildings, lighting items, and other models. Let's add a grill. As you can see, the grill is automatically placed at the needed height, and you don't have to adjust it. To go down to the created zone, you might also need stairs. Go to Relief and click Add Stairs. Choose the stairs you like and adjust the position, height, and material. Let's check out the final result in the walkthrough mode. This is how you can add depressions to your landscape plans. Want to learn more about other features? Then visit the website right now